Hi everyone. In this video, you're going to learn about Jupyter Notebook and its mechanism. As learned from the previous video, just go to search button and type Anaconda prompt. This command will take you to Jupyter Notebook server, which is this. Now type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. This is going to take you to the web browser, which is this, and Jupyter Notebook file browser. All the data that you work on is going to be saved in this. Initially, Jupyter Notebook was called IPython Notebook. Jupyter name was derived from Julia, Python, and R. The Jupyter Notebook is an open source web-based application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, rich text. Let us understand each of them one by one. Live code simply means as you change anything in your code, its output will be changed. Over here, I had already saved my HR employee attrition data. And as soon as I run, my output gives me last 5 rows of my HR employee attrition data. Now, if I want to change this and I want first 5 rows of my data, I'll rerun it. And it gives me first 5 rows of the data. Similarly, my output over here has first 5 rows of my data for a particular age. And if I change my head to tail, it will give me last 5 rows of my data for the parameter age. Equation. I have assigned 10 to variable A and 5 to variable B. Now x is equals to A plus B. When I call for x, it gives me an output of 15. Visualization is one of the most beautiful thing in Python. You can do graphical representation of your data in Python. You can save YouTube data over here and watch it on Python itself. Rich text has many features. Few of the most common features are you can change the color, you can change the font size, you can change the color, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, and so on. Now, when I save my notebook, the extension of .ipynb file and JSON structure is used. Let us exactly understand the mechanism of Jupyter Notebook. There are two parts to this. First part is this UI on front end, which you're able to see right now on the screen. And second part is my server, which is this. Now, when I build anything on my notebook, it will communicate with the server. Every server has its own kernel. The kernel will run the code and give the output on my web browser. To have a better understanding of Jupyter architecture, just have a look at this image. Basics of Jupyter Notebook. The simplest statement in Python is print statement. Let us see how to print a statement. Just type print and use round brackets. These round brackets over here are called as my parentheses. Now in the inverted commas, just type your name and press Shift Enter to get an output. You can also use run button as an alternative. Name which has been used over here is called as an argument. So basically whatever value you type inside your parenthesis is called an argument. And this rectangular box where I'm writing the command is called a cell. Whenever you want to write any notes and save it for future, you can use the hash key and type whatever you want to. If you want to have a heading, use hash, space, and type your heading. And you need to select Markdown option over here. Now, if you want to reduce the size of your heading, you need to enter 2 hash keys and space. And you can continue this till the 6th hash key. It will not work for the 7th hash key. Now, if you want to make your statement italic, you can just put asterisk in the beginning and at the end of the statement. If you want to have a combination of bold and italic, add 2 asterisks at the beginning and 2 at the end. If you just want to highlight a word and make it italic, then you can put asterisk before the word and at the end of the word. And again, if you want to make it a combination of bold and italic, you need to add 2 more asterisks at the beginning and 2 more at the end. For more properties, go to help and click on the markdown button. That's all for this video. Thank you.